Hello traders and welcome back to another day of trading with the team. Today we're going to have a look at US dollar longs again. If you remember yesterday we were talking about the DXY breaking about the 92.80 level, the previous base that was broken with on, this was the candle that printed on Jackson Hole Symposium Friday, right? So this level, 92.8 level, has been capping the DXY to the upside. Now, price has broken with that level, and if we go to the hourly, this is what I'm looking at right now. If we go to the hourly, I'm looking at a retest of this level, right? And a possible flag formation, right? A possible continuation pattern printed on the DXY. So I'm looking for longs on the US dollar, longs only, because the impulsive moves are to the upside and the choppy moves are to the downside. The pullback moves are to the downside, but this continuation pattern or the continuation, bullish continuation on the XY is not going to be validated until we break with these highs, right? So I'm waiting for a breakout of the 92, 95 to 93 level, let's call it, for real bullishness on the US dollar, right? Now, the markets that I'm looking for to trade the long side on the US dollar are basically two. The US dollar Swiss franc. Now, the US dollar, what I like about the US dollar versus the Swiss franc is that, let's have a look at the 4-hour chart, is that we are above last month's high, and and price has broken with July's highs, right? So if we zoom in on this chart, let's just delete this line, and let's put a line on July's highs, right? So if you notice, price is creating a flag around July's highs, and should the US dollar rally, this flag would break to the upside, and we have a clean path towards a retest of the 93.50 to 93.70 level. The other market that I'm looking or that I like for US dollar longs, let's put on a flag here, is the US dollar versus the Singapore dollar, right? If we look at the daily in this market, we are at a very strong level of support that has been rejected. Now, the upside is being capped by this previous base, the 130, let's call 134.85 level or so. But if we look at the hourly chart, right, the real level that is capping the upside here is the 134.73 level or so, right? So should price break with this level to the upside, and more so because it's creating a what seems to be a bottom, right? We don't know, or I don't know if it's really a bottom or not, but just by looking at the daily, it looks like this market is bottoming down, right? Right now, I believe it's a little bit too early to buy into this market, but should the US dollar really rally today and the US dollar versus the Singapore dollar break with the 134.75 level, we have a clean path towards, let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. Yeah, towards the 135.30 level. So for today, I'm looking at US dollar longs But again, I have to wait for this continuation pattern on the DXY to break out. And just by looking at the 4-hour chart, let me just pop it up for you guys. Just by looking at the 4-hour chart, this looks super, super clean. This looks like a very, very clean breakout. But again, we are not out of the woods as bulls on the US dollar yet. We need these highs to break in order for my US dollar Singapore dollars or my US dollar Swiss francs to get triggered, right? If you want to get my trades, just click in the link below and subscribe to the VIP team.